Okay, so we're going to do one more example. I'm going to do example number 3 on the back with you. And so we're going to look again at the number here. This is a 3. 3 is going to be greater than 1. So this is going to be a growth or an increasing function. So again, I'm going to create a table of values. And I'm going to plug in this information. So if I plug in -2 here and I subtract 1, I end up with -0.8 repeating. If I do -1, I plug it in, I get -0.6 repeating. If I plug in 0, I get 0. If I plug in 1, I get 2. And if I plug in 2, I get 8. Okay, so now I can graph those points. So at -2, I'm going to have almost a -1. At -1, about -half, just a little bit more. 0, 0, 1, 2, and 2, 8 up here. And so my line is going to look something like this. And it's very hard to draw these because you're getting closer and closer to a line, but not touching it. And so it kind of looks like you're touching those lines, but you're actually not. Okay, it's getting closer and closer to that point. So here, our domain is again all real numbers. Okay, our range is going to be everything greater than this y value right here because that's where it's approaching but never touching. So that's at -1. So y is going to be greater than -1. And it's not greater than or equal to because it never touches that line. So greater than -1. The y-intercept, it crosses at 0, 0. And so the asymptote, the line that it's getting closer and closer to is y equals -1. Okay. So we're going to take these and you're going to continue working through these problems. You have number 2, 4, 5, and 6 to complete. So 4 of them. Just go ahead and finish out these practice problems. And then if you have any questions or anything that you need help with, I can help you with that. So just send me an email or come and see me during RTI.